totally mask off so that people can see that I am a real person.
They're not necessarily dimensionally correct, they just represent it.
Fucking matches.
Take it out a sec. This is the wall.
Oh.
Anything out this way. Yeah, it doesn't matter. He's practicing principles, right? Execution. That's right. That's fine. Move back down over in that one. You okay, mate? You all right?
Just trying to sort out the block now.
What you've got to do, measure the height of the block,
Right.
and that then gives you your offset centres.
Okay.
Yeah, now we've got to worry about air gaps or anything like that.